about finding areas of combined rectangles. And yesterday we talked about what a combined rectangle was, right? A combined rectangle is taking two smaller rectangles and putting them together, okay? So let's keep going. Mrs. Chang's vegetable garden is shown. Here's her vegetable garden. It is shaped like a rectangle. She grows tomatoes in one part. She grows corn in the other part. What is the area of the garden? Okay, so we need the area of this whole thing. Okay, in this space below, see if you guys can think of how to solve it. I want you to try it on your own first. When you get an answer, tell me in the chat. And to help you guys out, I'm going to put a little visual up here in a second. All right, here's the corn. Do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and here's the tomatoes. See if that visual helps you out a little bit. All right, I'm checking the chat. Until tell me to try again. Oops. Okay, so let's take a quick look and let's focus on something that we've had a lot of practice with, something that I know you guys know how to do. Okay, so let's start with finding the area of the tomatoes. Okay, how would I find the area of this? What kind of math do I need to do? Let's do Olivia. What kind of math do I need to do to find the area of this?
Multiplication.
Okay, and what two numbers am I multiplying?
5 and 4.
Not 4. We're doing this one here.
Or 3.
Good, 5 and 3. And what's 5 times 3?
15.
Good. All right, thank you, Olivia. So there is the area of the tomatoes. Move the tomatoes over here. And we'll make this square feet. Okay, here's the corn. The corn is this one here. Okay, to help you out a little bit, I'm going to remind you that if this is 3 feet, that's 3 feet. Okay, what kind of math do I need to do to find the area of the corn? Raphael, what kind of math am I doing for the corn? I cannot hear you, Raphael. Try again. I still can't hear you. All right, I'm gonna try someone else. So Raphael, I'm asking you, how would I find the area of this, of the corn? For time's sake, I'm gonna go, I see Sophia H answering me in the chat. So she's saying I would do 4 times 3, and I would get 12 square feet. And then I'm gonna add those two numbers together. I'm gonna do 15 plus 12, and I would get 27 square feet. Okay. Now, there's another way we could have done it, and I want to show you guys that. Okay. There's a reason I made these. Okay. I can take these two things and put them together. Now I have one big rectangle, right? So I'm going to add, well, I'm going to get my length and my width, right? Let me write it in a different color so you see it's a different way. But if I count, I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now I'm doing 9 times 1, 2, 3. Okay. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay. If you didn't have visuals, right? You didn't have your cubes. What I'm doing is I'm adding those two numbers together. I'm doing 5 plus 4. Okay. That gives me my new length by combining the rectangles. Okay. I cannot zoom out anymore. It does not let me. What part can't you see? Up there? Is that better? Okay. All right, if you have this written here, you can go ahead and turn the page. We're going to dive a little deeper into it. I'm going to give you like 30 seconds to write as much as you can, because for time's sake, we have to move on. All right, if you didn't get all this, we can come back to it. But let's dive a little deeper. So this page here basically was just showing everything we just did. Okay, so we're going to skip to our Connect It page. So it says, now you will use the problem from the previous page to help you understand how to add areas. Look at, model it. The equation 9 times 3 equals something is used to find the area. Explain what each factor stands for in the equation. Okay. What does What does the 9 stand for? We'll take volunteers. What does the 9 stand for? 9 equals what? Trisha?
Length
Okay. Length of combined gardens. Okay. And then the 3 is the width. That should be a D. Okay, and then when we had the 2 rectangles, it broke it into 2 numbers, which is 5 and 4. So then we can use those numbers. So we're basically gonna just transfer them down. Right? And then we already solved these. So I'm gonna take it from what we did on the other page. We did that 5 times 3 was 15. And 4 times 3 is 12. And then we added them together. And we got 27. And then we just write that again. So basically this was everything we did on that first page.